Hello, smart kids! Today we're going to learn through a fun and exciting quiz. Are you ready to begin? Yes, I'm so excited! I love quizzes! Me too! I'm ready to learn. Let's start!
Hello friends, let's play Guess the Fruit by its shadow. Which fruit is hiding behind this shadow? Apple. Great job! Let's move to the next shadow. Can you guess this fruit? Banana. Awesome! Ready for another one. Which fruit is this? Orange. Well done. Let's keep going. Do you know this fruit? Mango. Fantastic. Can you identify this fruit? Strawberry. Amazing. Here comes another challenge. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Great job. Moving on. Can you guess this fruit? Pineapple. Excellent. Ready for the next one? Which fruit is this? Watermelon. Awesome! Do you recognize this fruit? Pear. Great! Next fruit. Can you guess this fruit? Peach. Keep it up. Let's move to the next shadow. Which fruit is hiding behind this shadow? Cherry. Fantastic. Ready for another one? Which fruit is this? Kiwi. Well done. Can you identify this fruit? Lemon. Amazing. Next shadow coming up. Can you guess this fruit? Coconut. Excellent. Moving on. Which fruit is this? Lime. Great work. Here comes another challenge. Which fruit is this? Papaya. Awesome. Do you know this fruit? Guava. Fantastic. Let's continue. Which fruit is this? Pomegranate. Great guessing. Next fruit. Can you identify this fruit? Avocado. Amazing. Which fruit is this? Dragon fruit. Keep going. Let's move to the next shadow. Can you guess this fruit? Blueberries. Excellent. Ready for another one? Which fruit is this? Raspberry. Great job. Let's keep going. Which fruit is this? Blackberry. Well done. Great guessing. Can you identify this fruit? Plum. Fantastic. Ready for another one? Which fruit is this? Apricot. Awesome. Moving on. Can you guess this fruit? Fig. Great guess. Ready for the next one? Which fruit is this? Lychee. Amazing. Let's continue. Can you identify this fruit? Passion fruit. Excellent. Next fruit. Which fruit is hiding behind this shadow? Cantaloupe. Great job. Final challenge. Can you guess this fruit? Jackfruit. Congratulations, you finished the challenge. Fantastic job. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.